Hello my beauty lovers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up y'all? Hey you guys, on today's video we're gonna do a natural look on this quarantine, nowhere to go but home, stay at home. We're gonna do something cute today. We're gonna do something natural, something soft, something yet glam. But you know, I'm in the mood to beat my face right now, to sit on my couch and watch some YouTube, basically, because that's all we doing. That's what we doing. But yeah guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are being safe out there, following precautions, wash your hands, stay your ass at home unless you need to go out and get you some groceries, because that's the only thing that's open, a supermarket. So yeah, so we're using the Laura Lee Violet Voss palette. This is an oldie but a goodie. I love the Violet, the Laura Lee palette. I go, like, if I go on vacations or if I go to in like anywhere, like I put this in my purse to go. It got all of your favorite fall colors, well my favorite fall colors, all in one palette. So yeah guys, I want to do something soft on my eyes with some bold lashes. Yeah guys, so without further ado, if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. Please don't mind my nails, because your girl had to take them off because I was not beat to try to be a nail tech. No ma'am. No ma'am. I already tried that, and trust me, I got the whole kit. How to do nails at home, you know, with the acrylic and stuff, but it ain't working for me. Like, I'm a righty and I can't do my left. Period. Wait, is it a righty? Like, I'm a righty, but my left can't do the right, period. Like, it doesn't. I be so nervous trying to apply the thing and try to keep it straight, and it's not going this way and it's going that way and it's not going straight, and it's like all over the place. So I decided to just take them off. They look effed up. They look messed up, but I'm trying to do a home treatment with them and just, you know, let them breathe a little, because I've been having nails for the longest, and you know, I haven't been filming in such a long time, and during the time that I was filming, my nails were popping. I'm like, bitch, you wasted all this fucking time ain't doing shit. You could have been doing some makeup, showing off your little popping nails, but no, I was straight up bullshitting. Not bullshit, but working, but still. So yeah, we're gonna blend Mama Bird with Ragamuffin together, and we're just gonna put that on our crease, and we're gonna blend that out till it looks seamless. If you guys notice, my eyebrows look a little different and brownish, because I did my eyebrows with a brow pencil with an eyebrow pencil. I never did my eyebrows with a pencil before, like years ago, but like I'm so into the pomade that this Remo London eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown, honey, it's not bad. Like, I'm feeling her. She's not bad. Like, I didn't have to Like with the pomade, it takes a while to blend it and trying to, you know, build it the way you want to. But this, I just fill it in real simple, and then it's just, it is what it is. It came out nice, and I'm feeling it. I think I'm gonna rock with pencils for a while now, and they're kind of light. They look light. It says dark brown, but I'm feeling it. I ain't mad at her. I'm feeling her. So yeah, we blending this. Keep on blending. You can put that on your lid as well. Just dab some on your lid. I'm not trying to do something heavy on my eyes. Just keeping it simple and keeping my face TikTok ready. I've been having a ball with this TikTok. Like, I downloaded it the other day, and I just been acting a fool. Blend, blend, blend. Okay guys, now that your now that your eyeshadow is nicely blended, we're gonna go in with mascara, and I'm using the e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara. This is new, so we're gonna try it out together. Okay, now we're gonna go in with lashes, and I'll be right back. All right guys, lashes are on. I did add some of this gold eyeshadow in my tear duct, and I applied some white liner under my waterline using my jumbo NYX white, my jumbo eyeliner in color Milk. I can't find my orange corrector, so I'm gonna use a orange lipstick I have, and I'll put that under my under eyes. Gonna blend that out. I look crazy. All right, now we're gonna apply my Milani Mills, and this is for, I use this for primer, but I like to make my face look luminizing. Fenty Beauty foundation in the color Soft. What color are you? 190. Now we're gonna go in with concealer, and this is the Infallible Full Wear in the color Porcelain. We're gonna blend that out, girl. Be right back. Now we're gonna set our face using the Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. Now we're gonna go with some bronzing, and I'm using the Aaliyah Matte collection in the style Baby Girl. Now I'm gonna put some blush, and this is by Tarte in the color Exposed. We're gonna brush out the excess powder out our under eyes. Credasco facial spray. Whew. Highlighter, where are you, girl? Where's my highlighter? Get my highlighter. Hold on. Okay, and this one is Halo. Hello Halo by Mega Glow. It's a blush lighter slash highlighter. So I'm gonna just mix these two. Okay guys, now we're doing lips, and for today's lip we're gonna use Anastasia in the color Cider Lipstick. It's a pretty fall color, and I'm gonna line my lips first with the color Brown, and this pencil is by, I don't know where she's from, but she's from the dollar store, and she brown and cute. Well guys, this completes this look. I hope you guys like it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share my video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, you guys, I see you guys on another one. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.